What's up? Welcome back to the 710 Performance YouTube channel. It's been a little while since we've done a powder coating business video, so we decided to make a quick video. In this video, we're going over the 5 most important reasons your powder coating company should have a website. Let's get into it. First off, you seem more legit to customers. Nowadays, just about every business has a website. Let's admit it. And if you don't have a website, how are customers going to know if it's actually your business? So it just kind of gives a little bit more legitimacy to your business. If they find you from a friend or a referral, then it's not necessarily needed. But if you're promoting, for instance, on Facebook or Google or anything like that, it's going to be important that you have a website to kind of refer people back to and just show them that you are a legit business. It's a great way to display your work. You can display it on your homepage, you can display it in a gallery. It's just a great way to be able to show customers what kind of work you do and some of the different things that you've powder coated or Cerakoted or whatever your business is. It's a good way to be able to show them what you've done. It's basically like social proof. Plus, it may give them an idea of what they have at their house that you can powder coat that they didn't know can actually be powder coated. It gives you an online outlet to promote and sell your services even when you're sleeping. People are up late, up early, and they're always looking to get something done. They may be doing a Google search to see what powder coating can be done near them. They pull up your business, they go to your website. You may have a way for them to be able to get a quote on your website, and they decide that they want to go ahead and book an appointment, so they send you an email. A website can constantly be promoting your business and an outlet for you to be able to sell your services or your product. If you want to come up on Google, you have to register your business with Google. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to have a website. If you have a brick and mortar location, you can go ahead and tell Google that you only have a brick and mortar location, and it'll recognize that. And if somebody is punching up where to get powder coating done near me, and you are within that range, they can go ahead and show you. The problem with that is they're going to show every company that has a website before the companies that don't have a website. This is a great way to be able to make sure that you come up first on Google when being searched. It's not 100%, but it's a way to make sure that you can come up first on Google when people are searching, for instance, for powder coating near them. If other people have websites and you don't, they're going to be shown before you are. This is something that we'll get into later, but it's very important for marketing reasons. If you want to use Google marketing, Facebook marketing, or Instagram marketing, then having a website is a great tool to use because you can have a pixel that actually captures the data of the people that come to your website because they're interested in your services. Once you have that information, you can use that information to market back to those people. So maybe they weren't interested in buying, but maybe you have some sort of sale going on and you want to market it to the people who have been to your website at a previous set time period. You can market to those people. You have to have a website to be able to collect that data and to be able to operate the ads and actually have a place to steer them to online. When you have an ad, you don't want them to click on the ad and go to your Facebook page. You want them to click on that ad and go to your website or go to your sales funnel. So there you have it. The 5 most important reasons why your powder coating business should have a website. If you have a question or a comment, please leave them down in the description below. Also, if you want to know some more information on how you can start your own website, go ahead and email us, comment below, or check out the Wix link below. Take care.
Perfect.